See how nicely the paratha has puffed up. It's soft, fluffy, and with the spicy potato filling and egg coating. It tastes absolutely amazing. If you love both aloo paratha and egg paratha, then you are going to love today's recipe. Instead of making two different parathas, we will combine both delicious flavors into one. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and packed with a spicy potato filling. This easy recipe is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. First, in a large mixing bowl, I am adding 1 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black cumin, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix everything really well until the ghee is evenly combined with the flour. Now gradually add water and knead it into a smooth, soft dough. It should not be too soft or too hard. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Your comments really inspire me to make more delicious recipes. Once the dough is ready, cover it and let it rest while we prepare the potato filling. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, and saute them for about 2 minutes until the onions become soft and golden. Now add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything really well so the spices are evenly coated on the potatoes. And cook for another 2 minutes. Now the filling is ready. Transfer it to a plate and let it cool down completely. And make it into a small ball. And coat it with all-purpose flour. Now keep it aside. Now divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Take one portion and roll it into a small circle. Place one potato ball in the center. Bring all the edges together and seal them tightly and gently flatten it. Dust it lightly with flour and carefully roll it into a medium-sized paratha. Try not to press too hard so the filling stays evenly inside. In another bowl, crack 2 eggs. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Mix everything together until the mixture is smooth and well combined. First, place the paratha onto a tawa without adding any oil. Cook each side for about 30 to 40 seconds until it becomes firm. Now dip the paratha into the egg mixture, making sure both sides are evenly coated. Add a little oil to the hot tawa and place the egg-coated paratha on it. Cook on medium heat, flipping it occasionally until both sides turn beautifully golden brown and the egg is fully cooked. Just look at that crispy outside and soft flavorful potato filling inside. Our egg-coated stuffed potato paratha is ready to serve. With tomato ketchup, green chutney, yogurt or a cup of tea. Friends, if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and delicious homemade recipes.